Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I've got something very interesting. I've got a Fiat 500 here, you can see. So what happened here is whenever I press the key, you can see the lights come on to show that you've pressed, but it doesn't. You can see now I'm gonna press. I think you can see the light, but the door won't open. You understand? When if you lock, you can see the light shows that you've clicked. Open the boot, nothing happens. So what happens now is I discovered something, and I went bought two things. I discovered that the fuse is messed up, and I'm gonna show you to save your money. Yeah guys, so what happens now, I bought two things and you're gonna save money, guys. I discovered it's the fuse. You get me? It's the fuse. This fuse blown. So I have a stress with my car. Like this part is not in. So since this part is not in, maybe I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that hole. So water goes in here. So it messes up with the wiring and stuff. Then there's some electric stuff stress. So this is the problem we have here. So let me show you where to get. Okay, I'm gonna open like this. I'm gonna open by hand. I really found it very important for us to learn this. So I took it already out, that fuse. So but I bought a new fuse, and I bought a long nose pliers. So this thing, you're gonna find it like this. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. So it's gonna be like this. You can see it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be close like that. So what you're gonna do yourself, you're gonna come press this thing here and take it out. Press it. Sometimes it can't come out, I don't know why. But anyway, take it out. Press it, then you take it out. Once you take it out, you can see the one for the fuse for the doors. It's 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one is the one I took out. You can see my camera can reach well. Yes, you can see that's the fourth one. There are a couple of them up there, but that's the fourth one. You get me? So once you get that right, then you're gonna put it in. I'm gonna use this. I wonder if you're gonna be seeing, guys. So you might be seeing, but I can't see. Okay, it's okay. What you do, you get the right number. Look at your fuse. Once you take it out, and look at this number on top. Don't go by 15 because this one is 15. Why? You might be from a different country. Maybe they do different fuses. And also this one I took it out before without knowing which number I just bought, but which is not good. You have to buy exact number you take out there. So you use your long nose plier. Let me get it here. Sorry guys. Yeah, you make sure it's like this. Hold it nicely. Then we're gonna go that side and we put it in. You can see there where I'm trying to put it in. Yes, I pressed it in. You can also press a bit on top of that. After that, you can close. Close that. Then I'm gonna close, lock here. Look at the doors now. I'm pressing. That was locking, opening, and it's open. Lock, open. The boot sometimes gives me a problem. I don't know why, but these two, they open. Open and close. Yes, they open and close. Yeah guys, that's it. So I think that was one of the best things I've done today, guys, to teach my people who are also Fiat 500 fans, or whoever drives a Fiat 500. That is fine, how to fix that. Last time, the first time where I learned this, the first time I paid an electrician some money to do that for me, which I find like it was so dumb of me not to know that. But anyway, we learn. You don't have to pay someone 2 times. You pay him once on small stuff, second time when you have time you do it yourself. So I'm gonna start the car and I see if I can. Let me see, because this car, it locked me outside yesterday. One of my door window